Hello Larry, this is Eduardo from Voss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you of the 2018 GSX-S1000 fairing model. It is red and black on the outside. Currently has 3,076 kilometers on it. The asking price is $11,888 plus HST licensing. And here is the VIN for your insurance purposes of this specific motorcycle. It is a 999cc liquid-cooled 4-cylinder sport touring model. As you can see, it comes with the sliders on top that are aftermarket. Also has the grips that are also aftermarket. Everything else is pretty much stock on it. Is in excellent condition. Comes fully certified and is very clean. Only one previous owner. As you can see, the Suzuki is in great condition. And we understand that you have a trade-in. If you can send me more information on that trade-in, that'd be greatly appreciated. You are more than welcome to come to Voss Motors to take a closer look at this GSX-S. If you have any more questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 209. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day.